Have you ever wondered how banks manage money across borders? It all comes down to a special type of record called a Nostro account. The term comes from Latin, literally meaning ours. It refers to money that a bank holds in another bank, usually in a foreign currency. A Nostro account is essentially a bank's way of keeping track of its own cash sitting in an account at a foreign bank. These accounts allow banks to make payments in local currencies without having to convert money every single time a transaction occurs. You will often hear Nostro paired with Vostro. If it is a Nostro for one bank, it is a Vostro for the other. Banks maintain these balances to ensure they have enough liquidity to settle international obligations quickly and efficiently. Without these accounts, moving money across international borders would be significantly slower and much more expensive for everyone involved. We hope this cleared up the mystery of Nostro accounts. Check back for more finance basics, and remember, this is for educational purposes only.